My body doesn't affect you though. So yeah. So I always kind of just keep it like, I usually, you know, tips on how to get that belly fat. Why would you want, I mean, just go through really bad depression and then don't do anything for months. That's why I gained weight. I had a really traumatic thing happen, and then for months I was laying on the couch trying to recover, and then at some point the way I got out of it is actually kind of crazy. Like, you know, it started off really slow, like slowly getting back into social media, slowly back to thank you. And then at one point, I decided I'm gonna get a job. So when I got my job, at first I was really fucking exhausted. I wanted to quit within like the first week because I was like, I'm not used to doing anything, you know? And I was like really fucking like overwhelmed by having a job because I haven't worked that much. So when I started working at that job, which was McDonald's, I started to slowly get back to being myself, which is the crazy thing, you know, because fucking working sucks. But the thing is, though, even though working sucks, it's what got me out of my really deep, like, depression. It's what got me back to being myself, what got me back to socializing with people and being able to talk to people. You know, like, for so long, I thought I was never gonna be back to normal as, you know, like, a normal person. Because I used to, like, at that time, I couldn't even hold a conversation. I couldn't hold a conversation with my parents. I couldn't hold a conversation with my doctor or with the people helping me. So, but I'm so glad I got out of that, because for so long I thought I was never gonna live a normal life again because of what I was going through. But now I'm doing great. Now I have a better job. Now I'm going to concerts again. I have a boyfriend. My boyfriend lives with me. I have a good, like, social media following again. I've been able to socialize in public again. I can, you know, it took a long time. It took months to get out of it. So that's why I gained weight. I forgot that's why I was talking about that. But regardless, though, regardless, for any reason, if you gain weight, don't hate yourself over it. It's so easy to gain weight nowadays because of the fucking, like, all of our food is essentially processed, and it's so hard to, like, you know, fast food, it's promoted the way it's promoted on purpose to get you to buy it, to make you sick. So, you know, it's not your fault. Like, I still eat McDonald's. I still, even though I don't work there anymore, it's hard not to. So no, don't beat yourself up if you ever get, you know, depressed or anything and you start losing yourself. You'll come back. You just need to let it come back naturally if you ever go through something like that. So yeah. American food is fucking wild. There's, like, chemicals in everything we eat. There's too much salt in the ketchup. There's so much stuff in everything. I went to the dentist today, gotta remove. That sounds fake front tooth. Does that feel weird? I feel, oh my gosh, I've always been scared to get older and have to, like, get dentures because it just seems like it hurts, and I don't know why. What do you get the most compliments on? Do you want the honest answer, or, unfortunately, not a lot of people actually look at my face because the first thing they notice is my body, so it's typically my boobs, which, I don't know, kind of was like the whole thing that I ever get. I mean, people sometimes compliment my eyes, but color 1 tooth flex, so it looks missing. Yeah, I forgot that people could do that. You're pretty in every freaking thing. Thanks. I used to, you know, it's crazy. I used to get made fun of in, like, not in a weird way, but when I was in middle school and, like, I had a bigger chest, like, people would make fun of me for it. And now it's, like, some people, I mean, it's like 50-50. You know, some people, like, make fun of me for being bigger, and some people think it's attractive. So it just depends on the person and the crowd I'm around. At school, it fucking sucked. And it fucking sucked because the dress code is so, like... It's so... It only applies to certain people. Because when I would wear, like, a tank top at school, I would get dress coded. But I'd see a girl wearing a whole crop top with her stomach out. She never got dress coded. But I did. And it just, oh my god. I think that's why I started, like, because at some point I really, like to wear, like, baggy clothes all the time. Because, like, that was also when I was, like, really insecure, which I think that's part of why I started wearing baggy clothes sometimes, is because the school was fucking ruthless for constantly being like, you need to put on a different shirt. And it's like, that girl over there is wearing the same thing as me, and I have to put on a shirt. She doesn't have to, but I do. Like, we're wearing the same thing. We're both wearing a crop top or a tank top or whatever the fuck. It was so unfair. I was talking to my mom about this too, and she was like, yeah, I used to get like emails from the school, and she said that she would, like, always defend me, because, like, she would see what I'm wearing and she wouldn't care, because that's what everyone else was wearing. And so she would, like, email them back and be like, actually, no, what she's wearing is fine, and, like, I'm knocking everything over. And it's like, thank you, Mom. I didn't know she did that. I didn't know the school even emailed her. But, yeah. No. Just go like this. Thank you. You know what? Literally recently, oh my god, this was insane. I think me and my boyfriend went, like, swimming. We went to the beach or something, and then I had these jean shorts on, and I had them unbuttoned, and we went to B-Dubs. And the fucking worker girl, she's like, can you button up your pants, please? Bitch, who are you to tell me what I can and can't wear in a public building? Just because you're the one working doesn't mean I should have to zip up my pants for you. Like, bro, ain't no fucking way. And I think it's because my stomach was bothering her. Like, okay, bitch, you've never seen a fat girl? Like, yeah. Anyway. See, girl. I guess I tried my best. And I, like, told my boyfriend too. I was like, wasn't that some bullshit? And he was like, yeah, that was weird. Is that pink thing? What pink thing? No, there's no doll. This is just a wig that I need to put back before everyone. And this is for a robe.